Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a delicious rotisserie chicken. First, grab your whole chicken, usually around 3-4 pounds, and pat it completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that incredibly crispy skin we all love. Next, mix up a simple dry rub with about 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Generously massage this seasoning all over the chicken, making sure to get some under the skin for maximum flavor. Once seasoned, it's time to truss your chicken. Use kitchen twine to tie the legs together and tuck the wings close to the body. This prevents them from flopping around and burning during cooking, ensuring an even roast. Now, carefully push the rotisserie spit right through the chicken's cavity, making sure it's perfectly centered. Finally, secure the chicken with the rotisserie forks, tightening them well on both ends so the chicken spins smoothly without slipping. Now, let's get cooking. Preheat your grill or oven to a steady 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. Position a drip pan directly underneath where your chicken will be rotating. This collects those flavorful juices and helps keep your grill clean. Carefully load the chicken onto your rotisserie mechanism, making sure it spins freely. Close the lid or oven door and let the magic begin, allowing it to cook slowly and evenly. Keep a watchful eye on your chicken as it cooks, which typically takes between 75 to 90 minutes for a 3-4 pound bird. The skin should be turning a beautiful golden brown. To ensure it's safe to eat, insert an instant-read thermometer into the thickest part of the thigh, avoiding the bone. The chicken is perfectly done when it registers an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Don't rush this step for the best results. Once cooked, carefully remove the chicken from the rotisserie spit. This next step is crucial for ultimate juiciness. Let the chicken rest, loosely tented with foil, for 10 to 15 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, preventing them from running out when you cut it. Finally, remove the twine and rotisserie forks, then carve your beautifully roasted chicken into your favorite pieces. Serve it hot and enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.